The GR86 is powered by a 2.4-liter, horizontally opposed, naturally aspirated Subaru 4-cylinder engine that produces 228 horsepower. The first-generation GR86 took 6.2 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour. The second-generation GR86 completed the quarter-mile in 14.0 seconds and recorded a time of 5.4 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour. The improved performance is attributed to the more powerful second-generation engine. The GR86 comes standard with a 6-speed manual gearbox. A 6-speed automatic is optional, although it takes 0.7 seconds longer to reach 60 miles per hour. The Toyota GR86, equipped with a 6-speed automatic transmission, is predicted by the EPA to achieve 21 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. The GR86S with the 6-speed manual had significantly lower EPA estimates, 20 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. The 8.0-inch infotainment touchscreen is standard. The GR86 also has a 7.0-inch digital gauge display that can be configured with normal, sport, and track settings. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and all models include a 3-month free trial of SiriusXM satellite radio. The base model has a 6-speaker audio, but the premium trim adds 8 speakers. The pricing of the 2025 Toyota GR86 is estimated to range from $31,000 to $37,000, depending on trim and options.